In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app on your PC. Whether you're sharing coins with a friend or making a purchase, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to open the Coinbase app on your PC. For those who are new, Coinbase is a popular platform for buying, selling, and managing your cryptocurrencies securely and efficiently. Once you've got the app open, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Having your correct login details handy will make this part a breeze, and remember, keeping your account secure is paramount, so be sure to use a strong password. After successfully logging in, you'll notice a well-organized dashboard showcasing your portfolio and the various features at your disposal. Look for the Send Receive option, usually displayed prominently on the interface. Clicking on this will open up the transaction menu where you can choose either to send or receive funds. Since we're focusing on sending today, you'll want to tap on the Send option. Next comes the crucial step of selecting the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Coinbase supports a wide range of digital assets, from Bitcoin and Ethereum to many others. Once you've made your selection, it's important to ensure it's the correct coin, as transactions in the crypto world are irreversible. After selecting your desired cryptocurrency, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. This is essentially like a bank account number in the crypto world. You have the option to manually enter the wallet address, ensuring that there's not a single typo. Otherwise, your funds could end up lost. Alternatively, if the recipient provides a QR code, you can simply scan it for more accuracy and speed. The subsequent step involves entering the amount you intend to send. Be mindful of the currency you're using and be sure to double check the figures. Mistakes here can cost you in time and potentially in money, given the volatile nature of cryptocurrency values. Right after that, take a moment to review all the transaction details. Pay close attention to the recipient's address once more, the amount being sent, and particularly the network fees. Network fees can fluctuate and can vary widely depending on the cryptocurrency network's current congestion, so review them carefully to avoid any surprises. Feeling confident with your review? Great. Go ahead and tap Send to confirm the transaction. This action will initiate the sending process and commit your crypto to the blockchain. Now comes the last step, waiting for blockchain confirmation. This can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the network volume and the specific currency you're working with. And there you have it, a streamlined, effective way to send cryptocurrency using the Coinbase app on your PC. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more insights into the world of crypto transactions and tips.